Okay, this is a 4-year-old, my 4-year-old sister. She is doing a makeup tutorial. And she's teaching all you people that do not know how to put on makeup to learn how to put on makeup. Okay, go. Tell us what happens, Fredasia. You see all this right here? This is good. This is some good stuff. Okay, now go.
What you gonna do to me?
Tell us what to do. Oh yes. Oh yes. You see? Turn your face. Oh yes. That's just that good stuff. Are you gonna rub it in, or are you just going to keep it like that now? Can you tell us a little bit about yourself? Oh, okay. Yeah.
Am I looking great?
Okay, you're 4, right? How long have you been doing this? How many years have you been doing this?
20 years.
You've been doing this 20 years?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You should know what you're doing. Okay.
You look beautiful.
Yes. You look gorgeous. Yes. Okay. Do you have a husband? Do you have a husband who just you don't have a husband?
I do.
Oh.
He's probably going through it before.
He's going to love this. He's going to love your makeup. Yes, okay. So you look very passionate, Mrs. Fredasia.
Hi. He's getting a little today, so he's going to have a boyfriend.
Oh, she's going to her boyfriend's house? Oh, okay. She's married. She's going to her husband's house. Let's zoom up on this. Oh, okay. That looks nice.
Look at me.
And for all you folks out here, this is the way to do makeup.
I'm not finished yet.
Oh, okay.
Who taught you to do makeup?
Who taught you to do makeup, Mrs. Fredasia? I see your makeup looks sharp. Very, very sharp.
In different places,
Yes.
Spots all over.
Good.
Yeah.
Are you a hairdresser? Because I think you need to work out the hair later. Oh, okay. Next is the hair tutorial. Okay. Your swag is right. For real.
Do you make wishes?
I wish you heard it.
Do you make magic? You need to get this side.
Yeah. Get the right side right there. Yeah.
On my neck.
Yeah. That neck is kind of rough. Yeah. Get that neck and that chin.
You put on YouTube curves.
Hush. This is serious shit. This is very serious.
No talking. Okay. No talking.
It tickles my neck, sir.
Ma'am. You look really nice. Ma'am, I think you missed a spot. I don't want to tell you how to do your job because you're a professional. But any of you who need makeup done, just inbox me on YouTube. Okay? And then you can get your makeup done. Anybody can get a makeup done. I mean, it's like, how much do you charge? How many dollars do you charge?
How many dollars you charge?
Look at the camera.
How many dollars you charge?
$20.
$20. Okay, that's a good price.
Yeah.
Because your makeup is the bam. Everybody else's makeup is just like not there. You feel me?
You feel beautiful already.
Yes, you look gorgeous. You look very gorgeous. She is. Oh, your man gonna love you.
I'm going through the divorce right now.
When he gonna make sure he's not gonna divorce you after this.